Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you amazing deck pergola design ideas and tips to elevate your outdoor living space with a stunning deck pergola. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The desire to connect with nature while enjoying the comforts of home is a powerful one. Enter the deck pergola, a stunning and versatile outdoor structure that seamlessly blends these two worlds. But what exactly is a deck pergola, and how can it transform your backyard into a personal haven? This comprehensive guide, brought to you by Homes Decor Designs, will delve into everything you need to know about deck pergola design. A deck pergola is a freestanding or attached open-air structure with a roof formed by a lattice of beams. Unlike a solid roof, a pergola allows dappled sunlight to filter through, creating a beautiful interplay of light and shadow. This design offers a range of benefits, making it a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their outdoor living experience. Pergolas offer a multitude of advantages that can elevate your backyard in both function and aesthetics. Here are some compelling reasons to consider incorporating a pergola into your deck design. First, sun control. Pergolas provide welcome shade during the hottest parts of the day, allowing you to enjoy your deck throughout the summer. Second, defines outdoor living areas. Pergolas visually separate areas on your deck, creating distinct zones for dining, lounging, or entertaining. Third, increases aesthetic appeal. The architectural beauty of a pergola adds a touch of sophistication and elegance to your outdoor space. Fourth, supports climbing plants. Letting vines climb the pergola structure creates a lush, natural oasis. Fifth, provides additional privacy. Installing shade sails or fabric panels on the pergola can offer further privacy and sun protection. Once the structure is in place, it's time to personalize your deck pergola with thoughtful decor. Consider these elements. First, outdoor furniture. Choose comfortable and weather-resistant seating arrangements that complement your pergola style. Second, rugs and cushions. Add pops of color and texture with outdoor rugs and throw pillows. Third, plants and flowers. Potted plants and hanging baskets add a touch of greenery and vibrancy. Fourth, outdoor curtains. Fabric panels offer additional shade and a touch of elegance, especially for breezy evenings. Fifth, outdoor artwork. Sculptures, paintings, or wind chimes add personality and conversation starters to your space. Building a deck pergola doesn't have to break the bank. Here are some tips for cost-effective construction. First, choose readily available materials. Opt for pressure-treated lumber or vinyl for a more affordable option. Second, simple design. A basic pergola with a classic lattice roof is more cost-effective than intricate designs. Third, DIY construction. With caution if you're handy, consider building the pergola yourself. However, ensure you have the necessary skills and tools to ensure a safe and sturdy structure. Always prioritize safety and consult with professionals if needed. Fourth, salvaged materials. Look for used lumber or repurposed materials for a unique and eco-friendly approach. Fifth, shop around. Compare prices at different lumberyards and building supply stores to find the best deals. Now that you're convinced of the benefits of a deck pergola, let's explore some inspiring design ideas to get your creative juices flowing. Here, these the top 10 deck pergola design ideas. 1. Classic lattice roof. The timeless look of a slatted roof creates a sense of openness while offering delightful sun dapples. 2. Sailcloth canopy. For a more modern aesthetic, consider a flowing fabric canopy that can be adjusted for desired shade levels. 3. Retractable roof. Enjoy the best of both worlds with a retractable roof that allows you to control the amount of sunlight and privacy. 4. Built-in seating. Incorporate benches or a swing into the pergola structure for a cozy gathering space. 5. Outdoor fireplace. Create a warm and inviting ambience by adding a fireplace beneath the pergola. 6. String lights. Drape fairy lights or lanterns across the pergola for a magical evening atmosphere. 7. Outdoor kitchen. Extend your living space by incorporating a grill or pizza oven under the pergola. 8. Water feature. The soothing sound of a water fountain adds tranquility to your pergola retreat. 9. Hammock paradise. Suspend a hammock within the pergola for a relaxing escape. 10. Privacy screens. Install retractable screens on the sides of the pergola for added wind protection or a more secluded feel. deck pergola is an investment that adds beauty, functionality, and value to your home. By understanding its benefits, exploring design ideas, and considering budget-friendly options, you can create a personalized outdoor oasis that will be enjoyed for years to come. Subscribe to Homes Decor Designs on YouTube for more inspirational ideas on transforming your backyard into a dream space. We have a wealth of content dedicated to outdoor living, DIY projects, and expert design tips. Let's create the backyard haven you've always envisioned. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.